Hello everyone. Now usually when we do a Bonhams auction video, we do a bit of a follow-up results show just to see who's the best at guessing the hammer price and who can actually read an odometer.
How many miles has it done?
Just 2,200 miles.
But unfortunately, because of busy work schedules and other commitments, we haven't been able to do anything, and the auction is pretty old news now. So I just thought I'd clip together some of the official Bonhams feeds just in case you were wondering what the hammer price is on an RC45 that's done more than 2,000 miles and a melted KLR 250. Enjoy.
Lot number 166, we have a circa 1994 Honda. It's the Fireblade there. It's on your screen. And where are we going to start on this one? I've got bids 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800 I'm up to. 1,900 is the next bid. £2,000, it's my bid. Try me at 2,200 now. At 2,400. Bonhams app holds the bid. Thank you online. At 2,400. See? At £2,400. Thank you online.
And lot 144, the Kawasaki KLR project. Any further bids from the room? Otherwise it's 550. To the aggregators, if we're all sure, out in the room, 550 to the right. 550.
Lot number 334. This is the 2009 Ducati now. It's the Desocedici. All done. Fair warning to you at £40,000 and I'm away. Thank you very much at 40,000. Lot number 338 now. And it's the 1989, the Yamaha this time, the racing motorcycle, pictured beautifully to my left. Aggregators, £6,000 I'm looking for, all in the room. At 5,500. Are we there? Think so? At 5,500, I'm going to put the gavel down. Everybody happy? Everybody smiling? At £5,500. Thank you. Lot number 339, staying with the Robin Spring collection here. We've got the 1986, the Yamaha TZ 250S, the racing motorcycle again. Keep going. 4,000 I'm looking for. Anybody in the room on this lot? At £3,800. 4,000 aggregators. Thank you. At 4,000 with our aggregator friends here. At £4,000. Try me at 4,800. What do we think? Otherwise, I'm selling at 4,500. Are we all out in the room? All happy? At £4,500. We sell. Thank you very much. Lot number 340. It's the circa 1990 Honda now. The RS250R. 3,200. Thank you. 3,200 I have at the back of the room. At 3,200. Internet, yes or no? Are you coming back? I can see you thinking about it. At 5,000, fair warning. At 5,000, gavels up, selling all the way at 5,000. Thank you very much, sir. Lot number 341 is a circa 1990 Honda, the RS250R racing motorcycle. At £4,500. Internet needs to be now if you'd like that 4,800 bid. Otherwise, I'm selling. Make no mistake. At 4,500. Everybody out. Fair warning. At £4,500. Excellent. It is the 1985 Honda, the NS400R, at £7,000. Thank you. 7,500. At 7,500. You're out, underbidder. Final time at £7,500. And we sell. Thank you very much. Lot number 344. We keep moving. It's the 1998 Honda, the Fireblade now. And I've got bids here, internet, and I'm going to start in at 850, 900, 950. Bid me £1,000 now. At 950 I'm up to. At £1,500. I think so. Thank you very much. We keep going. It's the X-Ryan Farquhar now, the 2003 Kawasaki, the ZX-R 600R at 2,000. Looking for 2.2. Are we there? I'll pass it by if not. Needs to be 2.2 next bid, internet. Fair warning in the room, fair warning online. Lot number 353 now is the Ian Locker, the International Northwest 200, the Fireblade Superstock Racing motorcycle. 1,900 I'm opening. I'm looking for 2,000 next bid. Where are we? At 1,900 with me. At 2,500. Thank you very much. Lot number 369 is a circa 1973. It's the Derby. The Grand Prix Racing motorcycle again. And where are we going to start this one? 5.5, looking for 6,000. Start me in there. £6,000. It's 5.5 on my book. Are we all sure? Everybody happy? At 6,000, my gavel is raised. Make no mistake. At £6,000. Thank you, Dave. Lot number 377. We keep going. It's the 1995 Honda, the CBR 900RR Fireblade at 1,700 with my absentees. At £2,000, gavels up, going down at 2,000. Thank you very much, 706. We'll carry on. At lot number 381 is the 1977, the Honda, the CB750, the Phil Reed replica. Thank you very much. At 5,800, I'm in the room. Now I'll take 6,000 online. At I think you've done it. At £5,800, any further competition? At 5.8, it's yours, sir. It is the 1988 Honda, the VFR 400R. I'm going to start here with interest, and I'm in at 2,000, 2,225. Again, I'm looking for 2.8. Can I tempt you down here at all? At 2,800, fair warning, my gavel is up, and I'm selling all the way. At 2,800, at 2.8. Lot number 385 is the 1987 Honda. Fair warning then, at 2.5. Thank you very much. Let's keep moving. Lot number 386. It's here on your screens. It's the 1989 Honda, the RC30, at £30,000 on the telephone, holding it here with Martin. I'm just letting you have some thinking time out there. At 30,000. At £30,000. Telephone's bid, all sure in the room. £30,000, and I'm selling. Thank you very much at 30 to 1,799. Lot number 387 now. We have the 1995 Honda, the RC45 this time. It's on your screen. 25, thank you so much. At 25,000, back in the room at 25. 26 online. Yes, thank you very much. At 26,500. At 26,500. Internet, same, they've gone 27. Thank you, 27.5, thank you very much. At 27,500. Fair warning, sir. 28,500, it's selling to the room, you're out online. Last call at 28.5. Thank you very much, sir. Lot number 388, we keep going. It's the 2000 Yamaha, the YZF. As it stands, it's 22 here on my book. Can I tempt you in the room? All done at 22. Thank you very much. Lot number 412. It's the 1989 Kawasaki ZX-R 750. Online, it's 1,700 if you'd like that next bid. At 1,600. I'm going to sell 1,600, 1,700 online. No, definitely not. Thank you anyway. At 1,700. Sure. At 1,700. Bonhams at bid. At 1,700. Thank you very much.